Messiah used runs of 22-4 and 23-4 to pull away from the Lions as the Albright College women's basketball team fell to the visiting Falcons 84-43 on Saturday. Freshman Jessica Venturelli led the Lions with 12 points, while junior Kari Ludi had a team-high 7 rebounds. Senior Jenny Noble totaled 5 steals, equaling an Albright season high. Ludi beat the shot clock for a 3 on Albright's first possession, before Messiah took its first lead of the game at 5-3 on Nikki Hess's three-pointer right off an inbounds pass. Albright freshman Samantha Martin hit Venturelli with a cross-court pass, and her classmate buried the jumper to make it 7-5 Messiah. It would be the last Lion field goal for a stretch of 8-13, however, as Messiah made its move. Dory Jory later answered a Venturelli 3 to make it 31-13 Messiah. Megan Boyle finished a nice post move for the half's final basket, but Messiah led 45-18 at the break. Venturelli got the second half started by banking in a 3, but Albright would again go on an extended slump without a field goal. Caitlin Vanderhoff was good with a foot on the three-point line, and the run soon stretched to 9-0 as she scored again, this time from outside the arc, to make it 56-21. Boyle broke the streak with a pair of free throws, but Messiah kept pushing as Kira Meyer found Vanderhoff in transition with some impressive ball movement. Venturelli drove hard to the basket off Noble's steal to mark Albright's first field goal in 5 minutes and 18 seconds. However, the Falcons answered with 12 consecutive points to push the overall run to 23-4, besting their first half surge by 1 point. Albright is now 5-14 and 1-7 in the Commonwealth Conference and will travel to Lycoming on Wednesday.